All right, huge shout out to Benay's Career Academy. I'm here with my boy Local Blends teaching this class. I want to thank them for investing in their craft and attending this class. And at the end of the day, if somebody tells you shouldn't invest in your craft, or that barbering isn't a career, you tell them I said, Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a bald fade, or a burst fade, better said, a burst fade mohawk. We're going to start here by using our number 2 wall premium guard and start taking all the bulk off on the sides here. Just give us a clean, easier canvas to work with. So I'm not going to be trimming the top. Stay away from the top, use the number 2 guard here. And now I'm going to use my cordless T outliner and make like a half moon shape. Don't want to take this too high because then you run the risk of raising the fade too high. So once this is done, I'm going to go in with the lever open on my cordless senior. And then I'm going to start from bottom to top. I'm going to close the lever all the way and then open it slowly. And as I open it, I keep raising it towards the top of my guideline. Here I'm using the wall premium number 1 guard with the lever open. Create the next guideline. And you notice how all my guidelines mirror the original half moon shape. And then I'm going to work it closed until it's all the way closed. Now I'm using the wall premium half guard, and I'm getting rid of that last little bit of weight that's right there between the 1 and the no guard. Here I'm using the wall premium 1.5, and that's the guard to help me with that transition from the number 2 to the 1 guard. And lastly here I'm using the wall premium number 1 with the lever open and getting rid of that last little bit of weight or darkness that's there. So once that's done, I'm going to start to give them a shape up here. And you can see the whole, the main purpose of this haircut is trying to keep the dark and the C cup, the back dark and the C cup area dark. You want to have that fade or the transition really be right in the center there, right where the ear is, right above the ear. Here I'm doing the same thing. Removing the majority of the hair with number 2 guard here. Doing the half moon shape guideline again. And then moving on to the seniors, no guard, lever open. Then all the way closed. And then open it slowly, work my way all the way up. If you guys are hyped about the 100th anniversary edition ones that are dropping, comment below. I can't wait till they come out. I saw them in Las Vegas at the Las Vegas Barber Expo. Gorgeous looking clipper. I'm not sure if there's any advances in reference to the battery or the motor, but I'm a cop a pair just because they look amazing. Straight up, they look amazing. So here I'm using the 1.5 and then the 1 guard lever open just to get rid of that little bit of transition that's there. And you can see what I mean, how the shape up in the front, the C cup here, really pops. And that's the whole point of this haircut. Like I said, you want the back, whether you're going to V it out or round it out like I did on this gentleman, you want it to stand out just like the C cup does. I'm also going to use a little bit of color enhancement using the Beam Team compressor. As you can see, his hairline isn't as strong as I'd like it to be, so it's not standing out as much as I'd like it to be. So this is a perfect opportunity if you have a client that has a weak hairline to upsell and add a service onto your client. What I'm doing here is I'm making sure, being mindful not to push this edge back. I'm going to turn it back towards the mirror, check it, make sure it's straight. A little more touch-up work here in the center. Now I'm blending in this beard here. He wanted me to knock it down to a number 2. So I'm using a Wall Premium number 2 guard and taking all this bulk off. That's what I really like about these new T-outliners. They have a rotary motor, so they pretty much, they mow through anything. No hesitation. Here I'm just kind of doing a light sketch, because that's what trimmers are meant for. Please do not have your trimmers set to where they can harm your client. They don't need to be tattoo guns. Your trimmers are a tool for shaping, creating a shape. You want sharp lines, use your razor. So here I'm blending the beard in. It's pretty much just like doing a regular fade, it's just in reverse, right? People try to overcomplicate it. It's literally just doing a fade, just in reverse. Here I'm using the color enhancement. You can see how it definitely makes this edge pop. Now this will normally last my client between 3 to 5 days, depending on the client. Before you apply it, I like to clean the area with some alcohol, get all the oils off. That helps it last a little bit longer. And then it just depends on your client. How hard they shampoo their hair. Do they really scrub in that area? It should last them 3 to 5 days, like I said. You can see, like I said, he had not a really pronounced or strong hairline, and this definitely helps. This definitely enhances it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the final product. As usual, I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to spend it with me. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.